As a parent, you trust that the daycare you're working hard to pay for is keeping your child safe. But time and time again, we continue seeing cases of children being neglected. The minimum standards in Texas allow caregivers to watch between 4 and 22 children at a time, depending on the age of the child. These ratios are in place to ensure that caregivers can properly take care of the children that they're responsible for. There are 2 steps that caregivers must follow. First, they must count the number of children entering and exiting any location, like playgrounds or vans after a field trip. For example, if they left with 10 kids, they need to return with 10 kids. Assumptions are dangerous. Just counting can save a child's life. Second, they need to review their attendance list and make sure that each child has been accounted for. Going through the list name by name encourages caregivers to double check their count and know who to look for if a child isn't there. When using these 2 steps together, it'll prevent any child from being left behind. We represented a family whose child was left alone outside in near freezing temperatures for several hours. He was only 11 months old. His caregiver didn't take a head count and just assumed that he was with the rest of his class. Eventually he was found, but he suffered from severe mental trauma as a result of separation anxiety, and he also developed bronchitis. This incident was 100% preventable had the caregivers just followed the basic safety procedures. If your child was left alone outside by their daycare, reach out to us. We're here to help you and your family through this difficult time.